Here's how to install our OCAM Electric Tonneau cover for the MQ MR Mitsubishi Triton. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Attach the wings by sliding the black tab on the canister into the bottom rail. Make sure to pull the cover out slightly and slide it into the track on the wing. Secure using the 3 black dome head bolts using the included Allen key. Repeat this process on the other side. Then attach the included rubber plugs. Secure the canister lid using the included Phillips screws, screw seats and cap covers. Use some cardboard or a moving blanket to protect the rear of the cab. Use an angle grinder to cut off the tie down points at the front as they will interfere with the canister assembly. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal. Align and secure the included alloy bar with the supplied Tech screws. Then apply the adhesive foam tape on top and trim any excess. Apply silicone sealant to seal the gaps between the alloy bar and the tub on both sides. Use a yellow tongue or fish tape to run the wires through an opening at the front left corner of the tub. The wheel liner will need to be partially removed during this step. Run the power, central locking and rear switch wires down the inner wheel liner. From there, route the switch wire towards the rear passenger tail light. Measure and mark the mounting points for the tray brackets. Secure using the included Tech screws and repeat on the other side. Loosely attach the wing brackets, then lift the tonneau assembly into the vehicle. Remove the passenger side tail light, disconnect and set aside. Mark where the switch will go and use a 3mm drill bit for a pilot hole and then widen using a step bit. You only need to create an opening large enough for the switch. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal, then secure the switch using its plastic screw. Connect the extension lead that was run from before and secure the slack underneath using zip ties. Then reinstall the tail light. Loosely secure the wing brackets to the tonneau using the supplied T-nuts and bolts. Tighten all the wing brackets first and make sure the tonneau is sitting evenly on both sides. Close the tailgate and recheck fitment, then tighten all the bolts from inside. Remove the factory rubber grommet at the front and cut a hole for the front drain hoses. Secure the hoses using the supplied hose clamps. For the rear hoses, route them through an opening just behind the tail light and secure using hose clamps. Remove the front driver side sill panels and identify the blue and black central locking wires with a DC test light. Run the central locking wire into the cabin through a grommet on the firewall. Solder the yellow central locking wire to either the black or blue wires. This will allow you to open and close the tonneau using your key fob. Use zip ties to secure the slack along the chassis rails and make sure it's free from any moving parts. Run the power lead up into the engine bay and connect them to the positive and negative terminals on the battery. Remove the adhesive backing and apply the rubber strips to the body. Test the tonneau cover using the switch, included remote and key fob to make sure everything is working properly. And there you have it, your OCAM electric tonneau cover is installed.